This is the elevator at Macy's, Tyrone Square in St. Petersburg, Florida. There's the up escalator and the down one's right behind. There's the elevator sign. Here's a store directory. And this is a Montgomery. It's coming. Here it is. There's the floor indicator. Go up to 2. Oh. It's the Montgomery logo. Here's the floor indicator. Here's a certificate of operation. It's actually a Montgomery Kone. Here are 2. Here's a hallway. Go back down to 1. Oh. Here's a cab view. This is a nice elevator for a Macy's. Here we are at 1. Here's out into the store. Here it goes, and that's it.